Here's a look at the latest events happening in financial planning. Brought to you by JenniferLangFinancialServices.com, where we help American workers and small business owners prepare and protect their retirement portfolios from stock market loss. We specialize in annuities, 401k and IRA rollovers, indexed universal life insurance, and small business owner 401k retirement plans. Please remember to click the like button and subscribe to catch all of our financial news and retirement planning updates. The following material has been prepared for informational purposes only and is not intended to provide, and should not be relied on for, tax, legal, or accounting advice. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. Today's presentation will take a look at 5 of the most common misconceptions women may have about Social Security and what financial products are available that can help them maximize their benefits as part of an overall retirement strategy. Social Security plays an important role in overall retirement income. Unfortunately, many women run the risk of oversimplifying Social Security and may not realize there is a strategy to getting the most out of their benefit. Number 1. Married women should plan for the possibility of solo years. For couples nearing retirement, it is still common for the husband to have out-earned the wife and even more likely that she will outlive him. If he claims benefits before full retirement age, or FRA, he locks in a lower benefit amount that will not bump up at full retirement age. This also results in a reduced survivor benefit if he passes away. We would like to emphasize that couples should plan for Social Security together. Women don't realize that the decisions their husbands make can have a long-term impact. When he claims early and locks in a reduced payment, then when he dies, assuming his benefit was higher, she gets less than she could have had. Number 2. Homemakers or caregivers can receive a benefit. Women are more likely than men to be in and out of the workforce caring for children or aging parents, making it more likely they might not qualify on their own for Social Security. A woman may intellectually know that she hasn't earned a benefit, but seeing that 0 on her statement is a real showstopper. Despite that 0, a woman can receive a benefit in her own name on her husband's or ex-husband's record. This is up to half of the spouse's primary insurance amount, or PIA. The amount he is eligible for at his full retirement age, not half of what he is actually collecting. 3. Single divorced women can and should claim on their ex's work record. When estimating income in retirement, there can be a lot of confusion and apprehension around Social Security benefits and divorce. An unmarried divorcee may not know she can claim a benefit on her ex-spouse's record under certain circumstances, including that their marriage lasted at least 10 years and her ex is eligible for benefits. Even knowing this, women may hesitate to ask for their ex's permission to claim a benefit, thinking it will impact the ex's benefit amount, particularly after a difficult divorce. Luckily, her claim on the ex-spouse's record is completely confidential. Her ex won't be notified or impacted. Number 4. Widows should be prepared for a reduced benefit. When a woman's spouse dies, she will continue to receive the higher of her benefit or her late spouse's benefit. However, the widow still loses one benefit and simultaneously moves from filing taxes jointly to being a single filer. Since a widow's retirement income is not likely to go down much, this change can have a big impact, likely increasing the amount of the widow's benefit that is subject to income tax. In addition, her Medicare Part B premium, based on income and deducted from her benefit check, may rise substantially. Number 5. Teachers and other public sector workers should investigate their benefit with care. The Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and the Government Pension Offset, GPO, can reduce or even eliminate Social Security benefits for public sector workers who receive a pension in place of Social Security. However, women affected by this may still believe they can claim as a spouse or surviving spouse, which is often not true. Many people have no idea about this integration between Social Security and public pensions, and it can be a really harsh situation for couples who are counting on getting a spousal benefit. Determining the actual benefit can be complicated. The impact varies by state, and those who have also worked outside the public sector may find that Social Security statements do not reflect the WEP or GPO reduction. At JenniferLangFinancialServices.com, as we work with clients, we strive to take a holistic look at retirement planning. It is important to understand the most common intricacies of Social Security, including those that may be specific to women. We encourage clients to start having the Social Security conversation early when planning their retirement, because some decisions cannot be reversed. It's important that retirees get the most out of their benefit, so getting a more clear picture of the role Social Security will play is a big part of the puzzle. Retirees should accurately identify any income gap between projected expenses and retirement income. A fixed indexed annuity or registered index-linked annuity into a retirement plan can help cover the income gap. The following video looks at how retirees can combat inflation on a fixed income.
When you plan for retirement, you're really deciding how much money you'll need for the rest of your life. Most people talk about living on a fixed income that includes Social Security because they're guaranteed to receive that income through retirement. And to supplement that, many people add savings of their own because Social Security may not cover all their wants and needs, and its future is uncertain. Now, you may be thinking, it seems like a good amount of money now. What's wrong with having a fixed income? A fixed income is fine, as long as your expenses are fixed too. And considering the overall trends in inflation, the money you save today could lose value over time, and that might impact your purchasing power in ways you hadn't planned. Say you're retired and you have a fixed income. For now, it covers the things you have to spend money on, like housing, food, fuel, and healthcare costs, as well as the things you want to spend your money on, like a night at the movies, a trip to the mall, or a special occasion. That'll be the case for a while, but as the years go on, you can bet your costs will go up, and meanwhile, your fixed income is, well, fixed. So then what do? Well, you can't avoid your medical bills, your housing costs aren't going away, and there's only so much you can cut from your food budget. So you end up having to hold back on the things you really enjoy, like trying a new restaurant you've been meaning to visit, or a weekend out of town. And what about your grandkids' birthday gifts? Sounds a lot less fun, doesn't it? If you're relying on sources that offer limited ways to increase income, there could be some tough decisions ahead. That's why you may want to supplement your retirement savings with another source, such as an annuity that provides the potential for your retirement income to increase through an income benefit. And while Social Security may offer a cost of living adjustment that can help address the effects of inflation, having an annuity that provides the opportunity for increasing income lets you do more with your savings, so you can still afford the things you have to spend money on for as long as you live. And when that income has the potential for annual increases, it's a way to maintain the standard of living you want to have in retirement, so you can spend your money on the things you really care about. That's the way it should be.